everyone, this is behind the door unit that my husband built me for me to organize everything. I sure do have a lot of things and they need organized. This unit has been done and I already loaded everything on there, and now you can see those things are going to the shelves. And before that, I like to invite you to the garage. That is my husband's workshop, and we see his building. Welcome to From Home to Garden. On this channel, I share with you everything I know, so please subscribe and like and share my videos. Thank you. This is the diagrams, and this is on his toys. He was using this to split the wood, to cut the wood, and jig the wood. He using crack jacks and 2-inch screws. Now we went to Lowe's to buy lumbers. We give 1x6 pie. It's very white and clean, and some notes that the wood has many vein movement. Look very nice, so we like them.
30 inches.
So we need one piece on the left side is 76 inches, and 3 other pieces to connect on the other side. One is 33.5, one is 30 a quarter, and one 12.5. The reason on the right cannot be one long piece because we need to respect the door handle is there. So after he cut, he crack jack. Crack jack is very good construction. You use crack jack, your units will be stable
Now
and
put
sturdy.
one screw.
You see, he drove the nails, the screws into the
2 3/4.
jack that he made.
Alright.
So all
gonna
the
clamp.
wood
Clamps
were
over here.
cut, and now he installed them. Make sure it's square and level. He used the left, the square, everywhere he needs to.
No.
And beside the jig, he still
The braces
used
are roughly.
screw on the other side.
And then way
So he's a very careful man. And this is the last shell, and that the whole unit will attach to the door. So he has 2 pieces of wood installed there
Let me make sure
for
it's
support,
not too long.
and use that to
Not
attach
Alright.
to the door.
We don't want to
That's why
split
now
them.
he attached that piece of wood 1 by 20, the same width of the unit. When we turn the other side, you will see there's a one bar like that at the bottom and one bar like that attached on top of the unit right below the top. Beside that, he used a bar to install in front each shelf to make it stable when you try to open the door, the thing not fall down. Can you see? Normally they use a dowel to do that, but this construction is very fun with the stick right there. Now he use the door screws to make screw hole. You see, one support bar at the top, and you saw him attach one support bar at the bottom. So both of these go into the hole that he made, and that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope you like it. Bye bye.